Listen very carefully, because this is one of the most important lectures in this course. You know that the community is maybe the most important thing about Moralis Academy. What does it mean? It means that you never get stuck. So, this means that if you go to studygroup.moralis.io, once again, studygroup.moralis.io, you get into our forum, which we call study group, because it is kind of like study groups for different courses. And if you have any problem, if you want to discuss anything, you can just go here and discuss. So for example, let's say you're doing blockchain and Bitcoin 101. As you can see, if you click on the category, you see all kinds of different homeworks, all kinds of different questions, and so on and so forth. These homeworks are linked from the lectures. So when you do the course, you will see the link to the different homeworks and also the link to the different question threads. So let's say you're doing the lecture on Bitcoin transactions and UTXOs, and you have some kind of question, you can ask here because it's about questions. So all the time you can ask here for different topics. As you can see, we have different threads. We have question thread for different lectures, for different topics, for different discussions. And most of these are linked in the lectures, so you know in which thread to ask your question. So you always can find it in the lectures. In case you are in doubt, you don't know exactly where to ask the question, no worries. Just go to the correct course. So in this case, I am in the Bitcoin Blockchain 101, or you can go to Ethereum 101 or any other course. Let's say I'm doing the Lightning course and I have some problem, or I'm doing the JavaScript programming course and I have some problem, and I cannot really find the solution here and I cannot really understand where to post it. No worries, just go here and you can create a new topic and you can ask question. I have this issue, for example, and then you can write here what you want help with, and we will help you as soon as possible. So this is very important. In case you see someone that needs help, please help them, because we want to foster this community. And community is a lot about giving and taking. So if you get help, maybe you can help someone else. If you see someone struggling, you see someone having issues, you can absolutely help them. So please keep that in mind, that we try to build and foster a nice community. And the study groups, to summarize, they're used for homeworks, which are linked in different courses. They're used for questions, which we also link in different courses. And usually in lectures, we say, hey, if you have some kind of problem, some kind of question, this is the thread you want to use. If you want to ask and discuss, so use that. And in case you are in doubt, you don't know where to post, just go to our forum, which is studygroup.moralis.io. You can select the correct course here. So in this case, let's say I want to talk in JavaScript. I just pick it here. I do the title, I do the question, and I click create topic. That's it, guys. Hope you will enjoy. Hope this study group helps you a lot. Use it, because our whole goal here is that you never get stuck. We never want you to get stuck. So on that note, I thank you for the attention and good luck with this course. I hope you will learn a lot, and most importantly, I hope you will use your knowledge in the real world to achieve something amazing.